Ready to dive into a world of seamless productivity and entertainment? Let's get your Microsoft account set up, the key to unlocking services like Outlook, OneDrive, and Xbox Live. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account creation page. You'll find a clear prompt ready for you to begin. Click on the prominent Create Account button to start the process. This is where your digital journey with Microsoft begins. You'll have the choice to create a new Outlook email address or use an existing email or phone number. For this guide, we'll focus on creating a new Outlook address. Enter your desired username, followed by an Outlook. Microsoft will let you know if your chosen username is available. Next, it's time to create a strong, secure password. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account protected. Now, simply fill in your first and last name. This helps personalize your Microsoft experience. Provide your date of birth. This information is used for age verification and account recovery purposes. To ensure you're not a bot, you'll be presented with a quick verification step, often a puzzle or a set of characters to type. Complete this to proceed. Congratulations! Your Microsoft account is now created and ready to go. This single account is your gateway to a host of powerful services. Use Outlook for email, OneDrive for cloud storage, and connect to the vibrant world of Xbox Live for gaming and entertainment, all linked by your new Microsoft account.